SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to bold text on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you find the text in your apps and in the settings menu a little difficult to read, then you might benefit from choosing to bold that text. You can enable the bold text option on your phone by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the Display and Brightness option, and then you can tap the button to the right of bold text to turn it on. Now you'll see that the text is a little darker, which can be a little easier to read. There's another place where you can choose to bold text. So if you go back to the main settings menu, you can then scroll down and choose the accessibility option, and then you can choose the display and text size option here. Note that there's also a bold text toggle at the top of this menu, so you can tap that to turn it on or to turn it off. And then this is a good place to see what kind of effect bolding text is going to have on the content on your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.